Hi, I'm Heather with WTI, and I wanted to share my 27-inch Samsung monitors today with you. I love that they're curved. So if you're looking directly on, you can have them tilted up, or if you want the full effect, just touching, you can rearrange your settings for however you'd like to place the monitors. I love the curved monitors. This has made my editing work a breeze. Such pleasing work, but not only does this work really well, it also just complements our interior. My favorite thing is the minimalist design as well as the borderless display. It has a striking aesthetic and so pleasing. So as a result, it's a good looking monitor and it works really well. Beautiful, vibrant colors. So if you are also looking for the perfect monitors for your home office, I just bet you'll love them too, but that's my point of view.